constant problems that are taking place. The morality argument is something that is discussed all the time. Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah ta'ala and also Ibn al-Qayyim al-Ghazali rahimahullah ta'ala, he also mentioned something along the lines of this when he said, Deenullahi wasat, bayna al-ghali fihi wal-jafi anhum. The religion of Islam, my brothers and my sisters, is indeed moderate. It is in between, going to one extreme. Many a time, my brothers and my sisters, when we talk about extremism, the first thing that pops to mind is ISIS and anything of that sort, right? It's one extreme, isn't it? And we're overly emphasizing on that form of extremism. Being negligent, my brothers and my sisters, watering down the religion. This liberal mindset of live and let be. Everyone's entitled to do as they wish, is also another extreme on the opposite side of the spectrum. And shaitan does not care. Whether you go to the right side of the spectrum or you end up going to the left side of the spectrum, he does not care, because they are equal to him. Whether you go right wing or you go left wing. So again, my brothers and my sisters, I really want us to think about this question. Where do you draw the line with regards to what is right and what is wrong? My mother-in-law, my brothers and my sisters, she visited me when I was in Riyadh. She's not a Muslim. And then we began to discuss with regards to how we should structure our lives. And I posed the question to her and I asked her, if somebody now wanted to have a relationship with the same gender, would there be any issues? She said no, because love is love. So then I asked her, what if somebody now wanted to have a relationship with their own siblings? She said, no, this is disgusting. I said, Auntie, when I asked them why they want to do that, they state the exact same argument that the others do. They also say love is love, but you find it to be disgusting. So where do we draw the line with regards to what is right and what is wrong? These are discussions that are taking place. Eventually, my brothers and my sisters, we are left with the very option of accepting that there is a greater entity, a greater being, and that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who draws the line with regards to what is right and what is wrong. Otherwise, there will be constant fawda, constant chaos, just like the chaos that we are seeing right now, whether it is on a personal level, on a community level, on a societal level, with regards to how we should go about structuring our lives.